In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude Code CLI completely for free using Ollama. And I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So first of all, you need to go to ollama.com, then go to the download section. So here you will see the download button. Just click on download and you will see multiple download options for macOS, Linux and Windows. So since I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows and it will show me a command. So I just need to copy this command and I need to paste it in the PowerShell. So let me just go to my Windows search option and we are going to search over here PowerShell. Here you can see Windows PowerShell. Click on this and in the PowerShell we need to paste our command, then press enter and it will take some time to install Ollama in our system. So that you can see it is installing. So right now I will just fast forward the video until the installation is complete. And here you can see our installation is complete. So in order to check whether it is properly installed or not, let me just check the Ollama version. Let's say here Ollama-V and press enter. And there you can see we are able to see the Ollama current version. So right now let's go back to our browser. And this time let me just go to the home page. And in the home page, we are going to go down and here you can see automate your org, see more apps. So I'm going to click here and it will open in another tab. Here you can see docs.ollama.com and here you can see Claude Code option here, coding agent. So we're going to click on Claude Code and it will take us to this page. And I will also give this link in the description. Just check it out so that you can just directly come to this page. And after coming here, we need to go down and here you can see install Claude Code for macOS and Linux. So if you are using Mac or Linux, you need to copy this command. Since I am using Windows, so I'll just copy this command. So Control C and I'll paste it in the PowerShell. Okay, so for it, let's go to our Windows search option again and we're going to search for PowerShell. Here you can see. And in the PowerShell, we're going to paste the command and press enter. So this will install Claude Code in our system. And again, this will take few seconds to install. And there you can see Claude Code is successfully installed. There you can see. So right now we can just close this. And here you can see quick setup. We need to run this command Ollama launch cloud. And once you run this command, it will show you some recommended model for Claude Code. So let me just say here Ollama launch cloud and press enter. And there you can see it will recommend you a few model from Ollama. So those model are based for Claude Code. That is why it is recommending. But you need to make sure that you have enough space to download those model. The model that are based in Claude Code is Queen 3.5. So we're going to install this model. But before that, let me just show you that is for Queen 3.5 or 6. The size is quite big. For example, for Queen 3.5, you need at least 6.6 GB space left in your device. Okay. So right now we are going to install this model Queen 3.5. I will always recommend Queen. So other model does not work properly. You can try Queen or DeepSeek or maybe GLM. So I'm going to choose this model, then press enter and I'm going to say here yes. And then you can see it started downloading the model and it will actually take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video. So here you can see our installation is done. So right now we need to press enter. Yes, I trust this folder. So there you can see it is selected Qwen 3.5 model, which is a free model and you can use this model in Claude Code. And if you want to use different model, you can add actually different model in Claude Code. For example, you can just search the model name over here in the search option. And here, let's say you want to download and install this model. So for it, you just need to click on this model and here you can see a command Ollama launch cloud dash model Gemini 3 flash preview. So you just need to copy this command and open a new PowerShell and just run this command and it will install this model. And in order to switch from one model to another, you just need to say over here slash model and here it will show you the model over here. So you can just select the model from here. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can use Cloud Code for free using Ollama, and you can choose different few model from Ollama. So yeah, I hope this was useful. You can just try different model from Ollama and select which one opts best for you, because if you want to install or download a model, then you should make sure that your laptop RAM is at least 16 GB. Otherwise your laptop will work really slowly. Okay, so I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.